This is exactly how I grew my hair from a low cut to this. One thing I stopped doing was rinsing out my homemade hair treatment immediately. Today, I'm sharing another simple recipe I've been using. You guys loved the last recipe, so I decided to share another one. And honestly, my hair has never felt stronger or healthier. Hey, my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Oma, and in this channel, we talk about all things natural hair, real hair talks, real life hair experiences, natural hair cultures, and amazing DIYs that would help you navigate your natural hair journey. If that is something you're interested in, please do well to subscribe and join the family so you don't miss out on any of my videos. All right. For this particular recipe, you would only need 4 simple ingredients, and let me quickly introduce the ingredients to you guys. You would need fenugreek, rosemary, cloves, black tea, any brand of your choice. In my last video, you guys were asking what tea is that. That is black tea, and then you'll be needing black seeds and a bowl or glass container, a glass bowl or a glass container to infuse your ingredients, and then your measuring spoon. I am using 1 teaspoon for all the ingredients. So let's dive right into how I prepare this ingredient, or how I prepared this hairspray or hair leave-in spray, and also sharing the amazing benefits of the ingredients that we are using. Cloves are rich in antioxidants and contain compounds that may support a healthy scalp. They can also help reduce breakage by keeping the scalp in good condition. One thing I love about this particular recipe is that the products are not expensive. They are just ingredients that many people already have at home. Now, talking about the benefits of rosemary, rosemary has been studied for its potential to support hair growth in some people. It may improve blood circulation to the scalp and is commonly used in natural hair care routines. Fenugreek seeds are packed with proteins and mucilage which help soften the hair, improve sleep during detangling, and reduce breakage. If you scroll down to my channel, you would see where I use fenugreek as a detangler. You guys, fenugreek is underrated. It is underrated. You need to see the sleep that I got and how easily my hair detangled when I did that fenugreek detangler. So you would want to try that out if you like. All right. Black tea contains caffeine and antioxidants. Some people use it to reduce shedding and straighten the hair. Just in case you do not know how black seed looks like, this is an up-close view of what black seed is and how it looks like. I would want to tell you that black seeds are very tiny. They are very tiny and obviously black in color. While some people use black tea to reduce shedding and thinning, that's hair thinning, and also strengthen the hair, just take note that results might vary from person to person. Now, after combining all these ingredients together, I just go ahead to add hot water into the ingredient and I allow that to infuse. I am using the infusion method. You can go ahead to use the double boiler method, but I just wanted to infuse this so that the nutrients from the ingredient can slowly infuse into the water. At this point, I'm just stirring everything together to combine, and once I'm done with that, I just go ahead to cover up, and I left it to, like, I left the mixture covered up obviously to infuse for a few hours before coming back to strain and show you guys the outcome of what we have.
One eternity later.
I just realized I didn't tell you guys the benefits of black seeds. So black seeds have been used in traditional hair care for generations. They contain compounds like thymoquinone along with antioxidants and healthy fatty acids which may support a healthy scalp. A healthy scalp creates a better environment for healthy hair growth. Hope you know that. And many people also find the black seed helps reduce dryness and breakage. After the mixture almost have cooled down and infused properly, I strained and I transferred into a spray bottle or applicator bottle if that is what you have available. Just transfer into an airtight container basically. That would help you to apply that on your hair easily. I applied this generously to my scalp and the length of my hair. That is what I do. I didn't show that. This time I didn't rinse it out immediately. I allowed my hair to absorb the nutrients before sealing in the moisture with my favorite hair butter I made. The video is right up on my channel. You can scroll down to I think 2 to 3 videos down, you would see it. I would also be inserting it in the description box or in the cards up here. All right. Now, my hair always feels softer and it always stays moisturized for a long time. And over time, I have noticed less breakage during wash days. Remember that healthy hair growth is usually the result of consistent care, not a single treatment. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple natural hair recipes that actually fit into real life. Let me know in the comments which ingredients would you try first. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, remember to be kind and generous to one another. Love yourselves. Take care of your hair. Do not, I repeat, do not expect magic hair growth from just trying a particular recipe once. Please do not expect magic from just trying a particular recipe once. I always say consistency is what is needed. Consistency and patience is what is needed in growing a natural hair. And yeah, that is all. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Bye.